So today I decided to go to Trader Joe's to get some stuff. Where are you? And personally, I like Trader Joe's, guys. I think it's a nice little store. Everything that you need. Not everything, but the good things. The price is not too bad. So this is my walkthrough Trader Joe's today. First thing, flowers. Alright? Beautiful flowers, different prices, and I promise you, these are not bad. These are good prices. If you want to look at those prices. Orchids, $6.99. Tulips, $3.99. I will probably pick up one of them tulips there for the wifey. More flowers. Very nice. And you can, as well as fresh cut flowers. You can get fresh cut flowers there. All of this is nice, really nice, guys. Yeah. So, now you have salads right here, and it's too wide an array of salads to really and truly comprehend. It's really a lot of salads, and whatever you want, you have it here. All right. Fresh salads, fresh vegetables. There are pre-made salads like these that have different ingredients in them, as well as I believe it has the salad dressing. You have mushrooms. You have, you name it, you have it as it relates to vegetables right here. Look at this. They have riced cauliflower, which is the cauliflower basically crushed or minced. Riced broccoli, same thing, just minced. Shredded cabbage, easy going if you want to do it yourself. They have butternut squash in bags here, and all of this is supposedly organic. And yeah, I love these. This broccoli, the head of the broccolis. Put that in my cart. Then you have up here you have all the different fresh ingredients that you can use to make a green seasoning if you want. I remember to look at my video for green seasoning, and they got kale, they got baby spinach, they got broccoli. When I put the broccoli down, I need some broccoli, but it's too expensive. $3 ad. Probably got Aldi. Yeah. Fruits, fresh fruits here. If you want fresh fruits. Chicken breasts. I might take up a piece of salmon today because garlic and herb pizza dough. Take up a piece of salmon today because we might make some Alfredo. Salmon Alfredo. Okay, so you have a whole line of meats go all the way down, and you have cheeses. Over here you have fresh fruits and different types of fruits. Yeah. And as I said, this is just a walkthrough. Most of the stuff here I'm not gonna even think about buying because it's not really necessary. I might just buy this though. Blood orange. Yeah, I might buy a bag of blood orange. $2.49. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5. 5 and a half is $2. 5 not bad for $2. Try it. Yeah, so I may take up blood orange. I have grapefruit already. Over here you have tomatoes, you have tomato, you have this baby tomatoes. Tomatoes are not bad. These are mini heirloom tomatoes, and these are also very, very good. Pearl tomatoes. You have this bit small avocados. Can use make guacamole. Yeah. So as I said, guys, whole heap of stuff. You have eggplants, shallots, fresh shallots. I have so much tomato, so much onion. I need shallots. Basil. Say black garlic, guys. You could buy black garlic. Jalapenos. You know, let me just hurry up with my walk too so that I don't get bored. Different potatoes. Mixture of potatoes. These are very, very nice. We have the blue potato, red potato, and regular potato. You know, those are very, very nice. Very, very nice. Trust me. Can't eat this any given day. Yeah. Seasonings. Over here you have juices, and this is one that I recommend. This is my favorite juice here. The lemon echinacea. Let me take up one of that. Let me make it at the house, yeah, man. But yeah, these are favorite juices and stuff like this. What I do is I try and make it at home, you know. I come here and I look on what them do, and you know, and stuff, and then make it at the house. Here you have all different type of nuts, peanuts, different nuts, you know, almond milk, don't they so? Over here they have the wine selection, and it's a great wine selection, guys. And I mean, the prices are not pretentious. The prices are relatively inexpensive. A lot of it is bulk, like what's in the almond milk box.
Oh, okay. We don't have any out there at all. Right here.
Oh, I was looking down here.
I was like, maybe it's something I'm
Thank
not
you.
familiar with. Okay.
Appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah, so I'm gonna get coconut milk, guys. Coconut milk, almond milk over here, and of course, you know, when cut out dairy, when I use dairy, so it's always good. And then the coconut milk the prices are good, $3 for a box, and it is it doesn't have carrageenan, which is a chemical that we try to avoid. This, guys, is one of our favorite. This one here. So when we do come here, we stock up. Yeah. And we make no apologies. Yeah. This one of Joshua can claim that I want to taste good. Although it don't taste good to me. But so here's the snack section, and of course you can try different stuff here. You know. And as I said, straightforward supermarket. We have them little stuff in on them. And nothing out of the way. Nothing, you know, you just buy what you want to buy. But we go back to the wine section. All that little wine and stuff. Over the side they have little beer. Different type of beer and stuff. And I don't drink them things, I don't make it bad me, you know what I mean there? See? Yeah, man. You see them here? Them are very good. Peach Bellini, raspberry rossini, and the grapefruit pomelini. Them very, very good. Very, very good. Yeah, I like them there. So that's my trip to Trader Joe's, guys. Definitely check it out in your spare time if you want some good something. You know, people them friendly and them nice. Them not bad at all. See, I don't make a mistake, then the people them just deal with it nice, you know. All right, come look for yourself. Blessings.